Today, I'll show you how to import items in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your item data comes in cleanly and accurately without having to enter everything by hand. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Books website. Sign into your Zoho account if you're not already logged in and select the organization or company you want to work with. Once your Zoho Books dashboard loads, you'll be ready to start the import. Next, look for the section where all your sales-related records live. In the main navigation menu, find the option labeled Items. This is where Zoho Books keeps your products and services, including their names, prices, and any other details you've set up. Click on Items to open the items list page. You should now see any existing items you already have in the system, along with options for filtering and adding new ones. Once you're on the items page, you'll need to find the More Options menu. Look to the top right area of the items list for the 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. This is where Zoho usually hides additional actions that don't fit directly on the toolbar. Go ahead and click those 3 dots to open the menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Import. Select Import to begin the process of bringing in your items from a file. This tells Zoho Books that instead of adding items one by one, you want to upload a batch from a spreadsheet or similar file. After that, you'll be prompted to choose what type of data you want to bring in. In this case, select Import Items. This confirms that the file you're about to upload contains product or service details, not customers, invoices, or anything else. Now you'll see an option to upload your file. Click the button that says Choose a File. A file picker window will open on your computer. Navigate to the spreadsheet or CSV file that contains your items, select it and confirm. Make sure that your file is clean and well organized beforehand, with column headers that clearly describe each field, like item name, description, rate, and so on. That will make the next step much easier. Once your file is selected, click Continue to move forward. Zoho Books will read your file and take you to the field mapping screen. This is a crucial step because it tells Zoho which column in your file should go into which field in Zoho Books. On the mapping screen, you'll see each column from your file on one side and a drop-down or selection for the corresponding Zoho Books field on the other. Go through each one carefully. For example, match your item name column to the item name field in Zoho Books, your price or rate column to the rate field, and so on. If there are optional fields you don't use, you can leave them unmapped. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to use the preview. The preview shows a sample of how your imported items will look once they're in Zoho Books. Check that the names, descriptions, and prices all line up correctly and appear in the right place. If something looks off, go back and adjust the mappings until everything appears correct. When you're satisfied with the mapping and the preview, you're ready to complete the import. After the import finishes, your items will be available in Zoho Books, ready to use on your invoices, estimates, and other transactions.